Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at how to create movies within Apex. Okay, so looking at some of the movie creation options we've now got in Apex. We can specify the region of the viewport we want to record. We can specify the file type and then the location where the movie file will be written to. So once we're happy with that, we can come out of the options and literally just hit the video camera icon. This gives us a green frame around what's been recorded, and when we've recorded enough we can stop the video and then save the output files. I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.